morning, good morning, good morning, dear kids. How are you? How are you? How are you, dear kids? Hello, children. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Yes. Today is English subject and we are going to learn the topic about double letters E-words. Yes, dear kids, today we are going to learn about double letters E-words. Okay? Yes, dear kids, Miss will show you some picture. Yes, so you have to identify that picture and try to read. Okay? And which picture is this? Come on, tell me. This is bee, Madhumakki. Yes, B-E-E, bee. B-E-E, bee. Okay? Then, which picture is this? Heel, H-E-E-L, heel. Heel means AD. Heel means AD. H-E-E-L. Heel. Okay. Then, which picture is this, dear kids? This is peel. Peel means chilna. है ना? Then, P-E-E-L. Peel. Peel means chilna. Okay. Then, come on, tell me, which picture is this? This is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree means spade. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tree means spade. Now, look at this picture. This is knee, gutna. Knee, gutna. K-N-E-E. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Okay. Now, I will write some of the words on the board. So, you have to write all those words also, beta. Okay. These are the some words Miss had written. So, we will read all these words. F-E-E-T. Feet. D-E-E-P. Deep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. P-E-E-P. Peep. Okay. Peep. Then T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. G-H-E-E. Ghee. S-W-E-E-T-S. Sweets. N-E-E-D. Need. Yes, dear kids. Now take out page number 64, dear kids. Now what you have to do is look at this picture and complete these words with double letters. Yes, we had learned now double E letter words. So we have to insert only double E here and you have to read that words also. Okay, double E. Now you have to read the word F-E-E-T, feet. Then B-E-E, bee. Next is, which picture is this? Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Now tell me, which picture is this? Sheep. S-H, you have to insert E-E. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Then T, which picture is this? Teeth. T-E-E. T-H, teeth. Then which picture is this? This is queen. Q-U-E-E Yes. Now tell me which picture is this? This is sleep. S-L. Again you have to insert E-E. P. Sleep. Then which picture is this? Needle means sweet. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. Then this is jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Okay. Like this way, dear kids, you have to complete page number 64. Okay. Along with reading also. And now, dear kids, take out page number 6565. Okay. Which page number, beta? Page number 6565. Okay. In this page, what you have to do is trace and write the double letters E words. Okay. You have to trace the words and you have to write the same here. Okay. So this I will do for you along with reading. D E E P. Deep. S L E E P. Sleep. Then G R E E D. Greed. Okay. And rest of the page is your homework, beta. So you have to do it and send it to me. Along with double letter E words, today we are going to do double letter L words also, beta. Yes. Now tell me which spelling is this? Ball. Yes. What is this? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay, dear kids? Ball. Double L words. Ball. Then B-A-L-L. Ball. Then cell. What is this? Cell. C-E-L-L. Cell. We will insert in the clock, wall clock or watch. Yes. Cell. Then what is this? Your favorite? Yes. Doll. This is doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Yes, dear kids. Doll. Then wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. Then what is this? Bell. Ganti. B-E-L-L. Bell. Then what is this? Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Which picture is this, dear kids? Pill. Pill means dawai. P-I-L-L. Pill. Okay. Now you have, which spelling is this? F-U-L-L. Full. Yes, this is full. Water is full in this cup. Water is full. Are you able to see? Full. Full means bhara hua. Yes. So one more time we will read. B-A-L-L. Ball. C-E-L-L. Cell. D-O-L-L. Doll. W-A-L-L. Wall. B-E-L-L. Bell. D-R-I-L-L. Drill. P-I-L-L. Pill. F-U-L-L. Full. Yes, dear kids, you your notebook beta. Yes. Yes dear kids, now take out page number 67. What you have to do is look at this picture and tick the correct words. Two spellings are given here. You have to identify this picture and tick the correct spelling. This is ball, so you have to tick B-A-L-L, ball. Then this is hill, H-I-L-L, hill. And what is this, dear kids? Mall, M-A-L-L, mall. So you have to tick M-A-L-L. Look at this picture. What is this? This is pill. So you have to tick P-I-L-L, pill. This is well. So you have to tick W-E-L-L, well. Then this is shell, S-H-E-L-L, shell. Among the both spelling, you have to tick the correct spelling by seeing the picture. So which picture is this? This is bell, B-E-L-L. Right now I had shown you. Which picture is this? Cell, C-E-L-L, cell. Now which picture is this beta? This is hall, H-A-L-L, hall. So you have to take this, hall. Then now tell me, what is this? Bill. After we will purchasing something from the shop, we will get the bill. So we will tick B-I-L-L, bill. Which spelling you will tick beta? B-I-L-L, bill. Yes, after purchasing something, we will get the bill from the shop, every shop. Then what is this? Wall, W-A-L-L, wall. And this last one is stall, S-T-A-L-L, stall. Like this way you have to complete this page beta. Now take out page number 6868. 6868 is your homework. Trace and write the double letter L words. So B-A-L-L, ball. Then S-M-E-L-L, smell. Then T-H-R-I-L-L, thrill. Okay, this page is also homework. Then do it and send it to me, dear kids. Okay? Yes, dear kids, I think you have understood what we had learned today. We had learned both double E letter words and double L words. Okay? So you have to complete it and send it to me beta. And you have to complete this in your notebook. Okay? As well as in your textbook also. Bye. Take care. See you.